What's up, garden friends? I hope you're doing great because I definitely am. I just got a knock at my door and a special delivery just arrived, and I'm pretty excited to share this with you. We're gonna do an unboxing and maybe even a review video, although this might be slightly biased, but you know what? I'll give it a solid, honest review because that's how we do it. That's how we do it. But to be honest, I think I have a great friend, one of my absolute best friends growing up, just an all-around great chap. Got in contact with me, and he happens to be a bit of a horticulturalist himself and works for a local business where I live here in Sacramento, California, which I'm really excited about, just in general, because I love supporting our local businesses. And from the look of it, it sounds like this is a pretty cool story behind this local business, and so I'm happy to get this product, check it out, review it. I don't even know, I haven't opened the box. I'm really excited. It's just great to hear from a fantastic friend. And so this will probably be part of a multi-video series where we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna look at it now, and then we're gonna utilize this thing. We're gonna see what we can do with whatever sweet product they sent me. We'll figure it out. Let's go take a look. Well, all right, so as you could probably tell from the intro, I'm really excited to get this and to see what we got in here. And it's really just great to hear from an old friend because I just love my friends, and he was one of the absolute funnest. Such a nice guy. Wonderful in so many ways. All right, well, let's take a look. Ooh, oh, that's just cardboard. And you know what? All this cardboard, we're gonna be feeding it. We'll feed it, we're gonna wet. We'll pull this tape off and we'll feed all this to the worms. It'll be great. Oh, come here. Oh, how exciting. Oh, I love this. Oh man, they really pack it up nice, I will say that. Ooh, oh my God. Hold on, can you guys see that? Dude, what is this? Oh my gosh, okay. The Easy Clone plant cloning system. You know we love doing that. Oh, and this one's the white. All right, so it's gonna look like that. Fantastic. Let's get a look at that. Boom. Oh, that's a pretty cool way to utilize the box for two different. I'll say that. Okay, the Low Pro 64. Look at that. So that's what we're dealing with here, I believe. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's the Easy Clone system. All right, like I said, Sacramento, California, dude. Local folks, man, doing it. I love it. I love that. It's like, you know me, people who watch the channel or been in my class or talk to me, I love growing aeroponically, hydroponically, aquaponically. It's just fantastic. So let's unbox this further. Hold on, let me take a look. Many copies, zero rivals. I kind of like that. I can't argue with that confidence. And that's pretty cool. So that's another version of the same one. We've got the all white, so the Easy Clone plant cloning system. This is the 64 Low Pro, and so I just want to get you all the information. So you can see the one that's marked. So they must have different systems. They got a 16 Low Pro, 32, 64, which is this is big. That's big. It's going to be really solid. Like I said, we've had a similar product in the past that we've utilized at the school, an aeroponic system for cloning. And it's worked really well, relatively. And so usually if it's not working well, it's because of me, or we're just not even using it. Usually when we're using it, it works great. So here we go. And so not bad, loving it. Custom little size manifold. I actually just saw this alphanumeric lid for simple cutting identification. So I'm gonna have to look at that because that actually sounds really interesting to me, where you can keep it organized, so you can kind of see what's up. Like B7 or A3, I'm not sure how they do it. We'll take a look. Very cool. All right, well there's all your technical info for the most part. And so actually, wait, you know what? I think I even see some more information here. Boom. It's 100% recyclable. Well, that's kind of cool. The lid and the resin, interesting. Whoa. Okay. I like it. I could live with that. All right, let's take a closer look. All right, so let's pull this. Let's pull it out and see what we got in here. Oh, I want to try to not destroy it as I go, if I can. Oh, look at that. Ooh, the plastic does feel really nice. I know I'm sounding kind of biased, but it honestly does. But I think at this point I'm pretty smitten, to be fair. That's just because I love growing, and this is fantastic. And it sounds like they're pretty passionate about growing too. I did a quick read up, and probably need to learn a little bit more. But like I said, it's pretty cool that I love local companies that do cool stuff. And this, like, so here's the collars. This will actually help us out. And you know, and it's funny is we have some of the older system that I utilize, and they are worn out. And so it's nice to see some new ones that actually feel nice. And I've never seen any that are green and purple before, so that's actually I'll take that too. That's pretty cool. You know, just the pump. Look at this. What a fantastic gift. I mean, really, for a friend to hook me up and just really think of me. I couldn't, you know, like I said, I'm really just excited about that. But that's really nice pump, because this basically what this is a system where we're gonna have water in a reservoir, and you can add nutrition to that and hormones if you wish. And there's a lot of different tricks of the trade for that, and even simple for a lot of plants that are easy to clone. Simple water will work as well. But like I said, here's the manifold. So this will be pumping water. As that pumps water through this, we'll probably have to add some little spray nozzles to that, some dripper. Oh, there they are. Little misters. You see those little red tips in there? So we got some misters. Oh, look, oh, cool. See, I was just talking about. So look, now they're doing it right. So that's how you know it's legit. And hopefully you guys can see all this. Let me see. I guess I'm not a very good camera person, but that's pretty cool. Oh, they have their own label. I like that. So I'll have to do a little more research and read these up a little bit. We got a rooting compound, probably hormones and whatnot. I love that. That is great. And so this will really help induce and kind of trick those plants into being like, hey, you better form some roots, stem cells. You know, you better go from being a stem or whatever to a root. Quick, start forming some cells, some fresh roots. And then this might be some nutrition or something. Okay, I love it. I'll have to read all this. See what this is. Clear res. Ooh, intended to be used as a preventative care for all growing methods. Love it. We'll learn more about these, but that actually is a great sign. We'll add the misters to that. I'm so excited. I was actually going to wait and open this at school, because that's where I'm probably going to utilize it and test it out really good tomorrow. But it showed up just now, and I couldn't help myself. So here's let me pull it apart a little bit. So here, the bottom part I just pulled up will be the reservoir, and you can kind of see that this part. Oh my gosh, I don't want to drop it or damage it, just because you know I'm already in freaking just loving this. Oh, ooh, dude, this is way bigger, way more robust. Like I said, we've had one before. Oh, it is, yeah, alphanumeric, right? So it goes from A to H, right? A, B, C, D, whatever. Goes from A to H and 1 to 8, right? Because 8 by 8, it's a 64 site. This is way larger, much larger than the one we have at school. And this, I already have really good feelings about this. And you know what's cool is we've actually, we can really set this one up for some success, because we've been doing a bit of work with a rack at our class that we have some LED grow lights in there, and so we can actually have a bit of lighting, at least as an option, with our LED lights to put over that, and so they can hang. The lights will be hanging above the plants, depending upon what we're growing, and that'll be fantastic. Wow, this thing's super robust. At least as it looks big, right? So I can't review it yet though. We haven't used it, so tomorrow we'll go get this set up. Maybe I'll do a video just on the setup, fill it full of water, and do all the things. I'll read up on it as best I can. That way I'm really doing it the best. I don't want to. I want to do it exactly how they'd recommend from there at Easy Clone, because who would know better than them? This is their product. They've made it. They've tested it, researched it. I would if I had to bet dollars and donuts, I would bet it works fantastically. But we'll see. We'll have to, just because why not? That's the whole point in this video. And if you did, come back and let's keep watching this, because this is going to be cool to install, to run, to see how many plants we can get going in this. Obviously 64, but I mean, I want to churn them out, and so I mean, we could do a lot of different plants in it, and it'd be interesting to see which plants work well in it, which ones don't, which ones we have success with, which ones we have problems with. Because just if some don't do well, it doesn't mean you can't do it. It just means I may have made a mistake. But you know what? I truly believe we're going to have a ton of success, because I actually really like aeroponics and hydroponics, and the kind of we have a hydroponic tower in the classroom that we actually use organic nutrition with, and it works. I mean, it's weird. The house plants in that hydroponic tower are growing faster than the ones in soil. So, same thing with the aquaponic systems. Even the house plants we have growing in that are outgrowing the ones in soil. And then even our cuttings that we have in our aeroponic system tend to root faster than the ones that we do not. Because we do them in different methods, but typically the ones we have in our aeroponics system root quickly. So now I really want to get this one back to school and test it out. You can tell I'm really excited. So I'll leave it here. All right, so check back with us. If you're not already subscribed, do it now, so that way you don't forget. And we'd love to have you back. So let's check it out.